I'm sitting in a 2022 Seat Alhambra and I would like to remove the A-pillar trim because I would like to install a dash cam and I want to take the wire here along the A-pillar and connect it down here to the OBD connector. I removed the small airbag tag which was located here with a flathead screwdriver, but it was actually not even necessary because there's no screw underneath, not like in some other models. So if my research was right, then I only need to just pull and it should snap right out. So let's see. I'll just put my fingers here and pull, and that sounded really bad. Okay, something came loose and I can see the clip, so I will not stop now. Okay, was way more force than what I expected, but it's out now and I can see that this clip was stuck, but it came out of the plastic okay, so I think I can just replace it somehow. And I will now need to gently pull on this one and take care for the occasional cable, maybe connecting some speakers, but okay, there's actually no cables here, no speaker, so just pulling it out was possible. So now I should have a route. So this is what I ended up with. I ended up doing a lot more disassembling than what I was hoping for, but it was not so bad. The A-pillar was, I guess, the worst of it. So that's the OBD to USB connector. Then it goes up here next to the fuse box, and the rest of the cable is wrapped up and secured to whatever plastic is here. And then we go up here on the side, and then this is also part of the A-pillar, and here I have connected the cable to some cable that is already running up the pillar. I tried to keep it a little bit loose so that there is no strain on the cable. I used some anchor points here. I made sure to not get in the way of the airbag, so when it hopefully never deploys, the cable will not be in place there. And this is the clip which was at the A-pillar, and it actually came out in one piece, so nothing really seems bent or broken. It's kind of sitting a little bit loose, but all of the other clips are quite fine, so I think I will just be able to pop it right back. Then I use the prying tool to tuck the cable underneath. Here I have this little box for the mirror and the electronics, I guess, inside the mirror. I took the easy way out and I did not disassemble it. I am routing this wire here basically underneath this box to the other side, and this is where I am planning to put my dash cam. So that's it. I hope I can put everything back together as it was, and I hope that I ended up helping someone. Cheers.